EV revolution and immigration. How Matel and Honda's swappable battery impacts skilled workers. India's EV industry is accelerating with Matel Motion and Energy Solutions partnering with Honda Powerpack Energy India to introduce an e-powertrain with swappable battery technology. This innovation, aimed at tackling range anxiety and long charging times, will significantly benefit the commercial sector by reducing vehicle downtime. But what does this mean for immigration? As India's EV ecosystem expands, there will be a growing demand for skilled professionals in battery technology, EV manufacturing, software engineering, and sustainable energy solutions. This shift could drive more global talent mobility, with Indian engineers seeking opportunities in leading EV markets like Canada, the US, and Europe, and international experts coming to India to support its green transition. Additionally, as major automakers expand battery swapping infrastructure, investment in EV supply chains could lead to new work visa pathways for skilled workers specializing in renewable energy and smart mobility solutions. With Honda already expanding its battery swapping service in Bangalore, Delhi, and Mumbai, India's EV boom could soon influence global hiring trends in the clean tech sector.